In this video, I'm going to cover about what is a low ticket sale and high ticket sale. What's the difference between both of those? And this is a question that people asked to me in the Funnel Growth Summit I was in the last week. And I thought it's a good idea to make a video on it. So if you want such videos, do comment. Now, what exactly is a low ticket funnel, a low ticket sale? It's anything less than 20 to 30K in India, right? So how do I define low ticket or high ticket? Is like there is no such distinction that, oh, hey, after this price everything is high ticket and after this price everything low ticket. In my opinion, even 1 lakh is low ticket for the kind of work I do. For example, we have a consulting called Alpha Club. We have very customized solution for every service provider, freelancer, or agency or consultant that comes aboard, right? And because it requires so much more effort, we charge higher than what normal courses or coaching programs would charge, right? So how exactly do we define this? Well, the way we define low ticket versus high ticket sales is the effort that it takes to, I won't say convince someone, to persuade someone to take a buying decision. When it is a low ticket funnel, for example, 99 rupees, 1000 rupees, even 2000 rupees, you don't need somebody to preach you in a webinar, right? You can straight up probably buy from a landing page. If you have a landing page with a proper video sales letter explaining, hey, why should you buy my product? My product is cheap. It costs like 2000 rupees. You would probably buy that thing. Why? Because it doesn't hurt your bank a lot and you are getting value, and you can straight up understand what kind of value you are getting out of it, right? Earlier days, around 2017-18, people used to send Insta links and they used to run ads on those, and people used to get sales directly on those. Now, why those worked? Because the price was really low. Even till date, you can see e-commerce product which are like 100, 200,000 rupees. People are just putting it on website and start running ads on top of it. And the reason why it works is because you don't need to persuade someone too much to buy that 1,000 rupees product, right? There is another tier on top of it which comes in after like 5,000 to up to 30,000. Well, we do webinar sales for those. Well, in this case, we don't need to sit with somebody one-on-one and help them understand what exactly we are delivering. Rather, we are presenting everything in a webinar. We are bringing people in groups and showing them what exactly do we have to offer them. And if they like it, they buy it, right? Now, again, depending on your target market, for some people 30,000 might be a very big deal. For some people it may not be a big deal. Some people 5,000 may be a good price. So it ranges between 5 to 30,000, but you can sell this price range ka product on a webinar. Again, it comes under low ticket because the amount of effort you put in to convince somebody is what, 3 hours a week. That's pretty much it. And you have people coming in masses and they're listening to you. So that's what a webinar funnel does. Now, what exactly is a high ticket funnel? So when it comes to a high ticket funnel, people need convincing, or people need a lot more convincing than just a webinar. Imagine if I'm selling something to you at 5 lakh rupees. I don't care how great a webinar I do, 5 lakh still seems a very big number because it might hurt your bank a lot. So if you don't exactly understand how this 5 lakh is going to change your business or life or career or whatever, you're probably not going to pay me any money, right? So that is exactly where what we do is we bring in people to a one-on-one call where we understand their requirements, and then we go ahead and show them our deliverables and our pricing. How high ticket helps is that you also have a lot of control on the kind of prospects that you take. So people who apply for Alpha Club, we reject about 80-90% of them. Why? Because we can't genuinely help. Even if these people have money, we can't take their money because we genuinely can't help these people. But we can help those 10% of the people, whether they have money or not. So if somebody is in the coaching background or a consulting background, like lawyers, doctors, or some service providers, video marketing agencies, SaaS agencies. These are kind of our target customers. But let's say there are affiliate marketers who apply. There are let's say manufacturers who apply. There are all these MLM people who apply. We can't help those people. So we are very clear with what we are going to help them with, what we are not good at, right? So what this helps us is we are charging high, plus we are able to filter out and bring out the perfect customer that we are going to help and we can help the most. So that is the overall difference between a low ticket versus a high ticket system. I hope you got some idea. A low ticket, again, to summarize, it does not need a lot of convincing. If you can show your value proposition, what your customers are going to get out of it, they'll go ahead and buy it from you. High ticket, what happens is we go ahead and raise our prices and give a more customized solution to a customer where we can get them results faster, bigger results, because we are helping them one-on-one. And well, because the price will be higher, the way to bring in these customers is like on a one-to-one call and letting them know what exactly they are going to get out of this offer. Now, this is the whole system around low ticket and high ticket. I hope you got some clarity. And if you did, do leave a comment in the comment below. I have also created a free video training on how to do high ticket closes. You can go ahead and click the link on the first comment or in the description, and you can enjoy. So thank you very much for coming in here, and see you in the next video.